friends, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn basic concepts of Java language with the help of simple program of say hello to user. For that we are using Eclipse Java EE IDE 1819 version. Now go here and click on this cross. So this is our window. For creating Java program in Eclipse, we have to follow few steps. Now first go to File, then New and create Java project. If you can't find Java project over here, then go to Others option and simply type Java project over here. So you can see this Java project. Say Next and you can give any name. I am giving name as Java programs. Now Next and say Finish. Now our project is created. You can see these are the libraries and this is our source folder. This is where our source files are located. So right click on it, go to new and create package. For that com dot, this is the standard way of creating package, and after dot we can give any name. I am giving name as basic Java programs. If you want to create package info, then click here and say finish. Now our package is created. Packages are group of similar type of classes, sub packages and interfaces. Now right click on it, go to new and create class, which is our Java class. Now we can give any name. I am giving name as hello user. You don't have to save it with .java. And click here as we are going to use main method and say finish. Now you can see this package is imported implicitly. This is our public class. In every Java program, there can be only single public class, as its name should be same as that of the class name. Now this is our main method. It is the entry point of any Java program, and our program start executing from this method. And this is the syntax of main method, that is public static void main. Now this public is the access modifier of the main method, and it has to be public so that Java runtime can execute main method. Now this static. When Java runtime starts, object of the class is not created, so that we have to take static. So JVM can load the class in memory and can call main method. Now the void. Void is return type of our main method. As our main method doesn't return anything, so we have to keep it as void. Now this is main, which is the name of our method from which our program start execution. Now this string arguments, as main method accepts only single argument of type string array. Now we can start our program from here. So first of all we have to initialize variable name. For that I am taking string name. Here this string is the return type of variable and name is the variable name. So we can give any variable name, but it should not start with digit or any special symbol except underscore. Now we are taking input from user, so that's why we have to insert scanner class in our program. So type scanner and press Ctrl space. So you can see this java.util.scanner package is imported. Now create object of the scanner class. You can give any name. I am creating it as obj equals to new, because we are creating new object, space scanner. Now as we are taking input, we have to do here like system.in. Now after this we are asking user to enter name. For that we are taking system.out.println. I am using shortcut here, that is SYSO. Now press Ctrl space. Now you can see in first line this is system.out.println. Now enter. Now this system is the final class of the java.lang package. This out is the instance of printstream class, as all the instances of printstream class contain println method. So we can invoke this method by using out instance as well. Now println we are using for printing, and this ln is for new line. If we only take print, so it will continue with the same line. Now here we are asking user to enter your name, as this is our output statement. Now we are taking input from user and storing it in our temporary variables. So I am taking name is equals to object of the scanner class, which is our obj dot next. As because we are taking string, so I am taking here next. For int we can take next int. For double we are taking next double. Now here system.out.println again for saying hello. Hello space, now come out of that double quotes plus name. Now here we are using this plus for concatenation. Now before go to run, we have to save our program, so press Ctrl S. Now go to this sign and run. Our program is run successfully without errors, so we can see this output here. Now it is asked for name. Now I am entering Crystal, so it is say hello to Crystal. Suppose I want to run it again, and now I am entering Johnny, so it is say hello to Johnny. And this is the simple program we can do in Java. And that's all about today, guys. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.